Shibaura Machine's ECSXIII medical spec is ideal for FDA-regulated and other cleanroom medical manufacturing. Built on the core features of the all-electric ECSXIII, this machine adds additional features ideally suited for your medical manufacturing needs. Cleanliness is a focus throughout the machine. The new stainless steel guarding is immediately recognizable and provides an easy-to-clean, corrosion-resistant shield for your parts. Additionally, a sliding top cover is standard and prevents other contaminants from entering the molding area. At the floor, the machine is raised 4 inches to make cleaning under the machine faster and easier. The clamp incorporates plated platens to control particulates and increase durability. An extended ejector stroke, 30 millimeters longer than a standard ECSXIII, provides more flexibility with mold design and gives your operation a more capable machine. Like all ECSXIII machines, the clamp runs on linear guides, keeping the tie bars clean. All lubrication is with NSF H1 certified grease for easy maintenance on the most critical machine components. Cleanliness is paramount in medical molding, and the Shibaura Machine ECSXIII medical spec is ready for cleanroom manufacturing. The all-electric setup is ideal for accurate, repeatable results, and the V70 controller and MachineNet Cloud work hand in hand to ensure your parts are reliable and you're alerted to any deviations from the specified, validated process parameters. With the easy-to-use V70 controller, your validated process parameters can be quickly defined and stored as a recipe in MachineNet Cloud. From this recipe, lot numbers can be traced back to actual process conditions for the most stringent applications. Any changes are logged and have active alerting to ensure high operational efficiency and confidence in each part. Contact your Shibaura Machine representative to learn more about the all-electric ECSXIII, the V70 controller, MachineNet Cloud, or to discover how the ECSXIII medical spec can unlock new capabilities for your operation.